You want something, Rusty? Huh? What do you want? You want this? That feel good?
Because those stretch receivers that are running the verticals down the field take the deep coverage, and then there's
Take their word for it.
Our introductory line comes in 3 awesome flavors. We have our bacon peanut barker.
You guys love each other.
Peanut barker.
Get it, Samson, get it. What?
Oh shit!
They did. Good job. They did, Goops. Good job.
It's costing us money, it's delaying our timeline, and it's giving me credit. Thankfully, my electrician is on it, so I make sure the whole house is working. Apple coating.
You done?
Tootsie, do you like that little bear? Toots, look at you. Tootsie, are you having a good time?
Come on out. Come on. Come on. Twinkle, come on.
Pretend nothing happened. We're all good.
I'm recording it.
Did you? Yeah. That was scary.
To completion. Oh my goodness. It's been very busy days, very long days. My family's coming in from Oklahoma. My little sister, my mom, my dad, they're just a few hours out. And so we're trying to get everything all together for them. Sorry. We've gotten the stairs in, the carpet in. One more.
girl. Athena, stay. Good girl. Athena! Oh, he's such a sleepy kitty. Look at the sleepy kitty. Oh, such a nice kitty. Can you get him? He's so funny. He's trying to get the leaves that are buried in the...
I'll bring it to you. You can pick what you want, and the rest I'll return. I'll do all the work. All you have to do is point.
Point.
One finger, preferably your index.
I don't know.
Luke, this is the first special occasion you and Rachel have shared since she's been back. Do you want to give her something nice?
Well, I am taking her out to dinner.
Luke.
Yeah, I
You want him, huh? Well, why'd you bite that guy? Why'd you bite him?
Max, what happened? Uh-oh. Elliot took it back.
Good kitty. You're so good kitty.
Kyrie's bigger than you.
Yeah, I know.
Come on.
Come on, Duke.
Your food.
Hi.
Squirrel. What a fight.
You're so gorgeous.
The daddy's right there.
Ots. Who hates cats? Good boy.
He loves it.